if I'm hanging out and I see a big old expensive Gulfstream aircraft, I'm the type of person that's like, well, what does that guy do? Usually the answer that I get when I see a giant house, or by the way, Adam's going to have a big ass, hopefully he'll give me a ride on his G650 or whatever the hell he buys one day. But usually the answer I get when I see somebody at the top of the best of the best is not, man, they do GPS tracking for dealers. And that's not usually it. It's usually like, okay, that jet, the purple one or whatever, I don't know, Adam, you probably wouldn't buy a purple jet, but that jet over there, the brand new one, that's the guy. Anytime you rent a quad or an ATV or you take something out on the dunes, like if you're renting a piece of equipment, whether it's in Cabo, whether it's here, that jet, that guy's tracking it, both for your safety and for the safety of the person owning the piece of equipment. Like if you can define exactly what you do down to that level, those are the people that are the most successful in life. Like there was this big ass house one time I saw it, and I'm like, what the heck does that guy do? And I found somebody that knew, and it's like when anytime seafood is flash freeze dried, there's this certain process, there's this valve that and it's like, that's all that guy does, is that one valve. So, you know, and I realize there's bigger companies like Amazon and blah, 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 but all of those companies started being really great at one thing first. So, you know, be open to it ebb and flowing. And I think Adam's a good success story there. Adam, you were open to all roads. You just found that one was a lot more receptive.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.